Hello everyone, let's deal with addition of base numbers today. Addition of base numbers today. Please pay proper attention because the example I'll be using on the board will help you solve all base number addition. All base number addition. So let me start with the base 10 number. Note too well that all the numbers we've been dealing with in mathematics, they are base 10 numbers. And that's the reason why when we add, we carry numbers to add to the other one. And it seems as if we have added 10 to that number because we are dealing with a base 10 number. For example, if I ask you, add the following: 45 plus 77. If I tell you to add them up, you do 5 plus 7 is 12. You tell me write 2 and carry 1. You now add 1 plus 4 plus 7. That will still give us 12. Our answer becomes 122. If I tell you subtract 73 minus 49. Subtract. You tell me 3 cannot take away 9. You borrow from 7. Your left is 6. When you add that 1 to 3, it becomes 13. That was what you used to say. When you add 1 to 3, it becomes 13. How come when you add 1 to 3, it becomes 13? It ought to be 4. If you add 1 to 3, it ought to be 4. But you're saying that when you add 1 to 3, it becomes 13. Why? Because the number you're dealing with is a base 10 number. So the one you borrowed from 7 is actually 10. When you add that 10 to 3, it becomes 13. So 13 take away 9, you have here 4. 6 take away 4, you have here 2. So these are base 10 numbers. Now, we want to deal with adding base 10 numbers today. Adding base 10 numbers today and other base numbers. So these are examples of base 10 numbers. Let's see how to add other base numbers. Like you have 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, base 2 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, base 2. Let's add these numbers together. Remember, when we added 5 and 7, we got 12, and we only wrote 2. Why? Because 12 is not a base 10 number. So if we divide 12 by 10, it will be left 12 divided by 10 is 1, and remainder is 2. It is the remainder we added here and carried the answer, which is 1 we got, to this other number. When we added 5 plus 7, we got 12. 12 is not a base 10 number. Base 10 number ends at 9, 0 to 9. But when we added 5 and 7, we got 12. Because 12 is not a base 10 number, you divide 12 by 10. 10 into 12 is 1. Remainder 2. It is the remainder we will write as the answer and carry the main answer that we got to the other part of the numbers. That method is applied also when adding other numbers. So we've been given to add 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 base 2 plus 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2. We're asked to add 1 plus 1 is 2. Remember, base 2 numbers are simply 0 and 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 is not a base 2 number. So you divide that answer you got, which is 2, by 2. Divide that answer you got by the base, which is you got 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Divided by the base, which is 2. 2 into 2 is 1. Remainder 0. It is the remainder we'll write as the answer here and carry this main answer we got to this part. 1 plus 1 is still 2. 2 is not a base 2 number. I'll do the same thing and I'll get remainder 0, write it here, carry the other one to this place. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 is not a base 2 number, so you divide 3 by 2, your answer will be 1, remainder 1. Write the remainder 1 as the main answer and carry the other answer you got to this side. When you add 1 plus 1 plus 1, your answer is still 3. 3 is not a base 2 number. If you do the same thing, you have 1, remainder 1. Carry the main answer here and write the remainder. 1 plus 1 is not a base 2 number. Divided by 2, you get 1, remainder 0. Put the remainder as 0 and carry the 1 you got as the main answer to the next part, then drop it down. Your answer is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, base 2. That is the answer you get when you add up the numbers 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, base 2, plus 1, 1, 1, 1, base 2. That is the answer you get, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, base 2. It's as simple as that, but very technical. Let's try another example. Let's try another example. Let's try another example. You need to carefully follow this, please. Carefully follow this, please. What you are solving, carefully follow. Whenever the answer you get is the same as the base or more than the base you're dealing with, you divide that answer by the base. The remainder is what you write as the main answer, and the actual answer you got when divided, you carry to the next part of the solving. Let's try 2, 4, 5 plus 5, 5, 5. You're asked to add 2, 4, 5 base 6 plus 5, 5, 5 base 6. Solution. The number we are dealing with now is base 6. 2, 4, 5 base 6, 5, 5, 5 base 6. We want to add them up. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is not a base 6 number. So you divide, base 6 number ends at 5. 0, base 6 number ends at 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 is not a base 6 number. So that 10 will be divided by the base. If you divide 10 by 6, your answer is 1, remainder 4. It is that 4 we'll write as the main answer and carry the 1 to this part. 1 plus 4 plus 5 is 10. 10 is still not a base 6 number. Divide 10 by 6, your answer is 1, remainder 4. Write the remainder here, 4, carry 1 to this place. 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8, and 8 is not a base 6 number. Divide 8 by 6, your answer is 1, remainder 2. Write the 2 here, carry the main 1 here. There's no number to add to, so drop it down. Your answer is 1, 2, 4, 4, base 6. Your answer is 1, 2, 4, 4, base 6. Let's try another example. You have 3, 6, 4, base 7, plus, let me add 1, plus 2, 2, 6, 6, base 7. You're asked to add, so arrange them 1, 3, 6, 4, base 7, plus 2, 2, 6, 6, base 7. You have to add. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 is not a base 7 number. So divide 10. 10 is not, 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 is not a base 7 number. Base 7 number ends at 6. Base 7 number ends at 6. If your answer is the same as the base, you still divide the base by that answer and write the remainder as the main answer. Carry the one you got initially to the other part. If your answer is more than the base, you do the same thing. So 10 plus 6 is 10, 4 plus 6 is 10, and 10 is not a base 7 number. So if you divide 10 by 7, your answer is 1, remainder 3. If you divide 10 by 7, your answer is 1, remainder 3. So you write the remainder as the actual answer. The one you got, you carry to this other side. 1 plus 6 plus 6 is 13. 13 is not a base 7 number. So you divide 13 by 7. How many 7 are in 13? Is 1. Remainder 6. 7 in 13 is 1. Remainder 6. So you write the 6 as the remainder and carry 1 to this other side. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. 6 is a base 7 number. So I'll write it down. 6 is a base 7 number. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is a base 7 number. So our answer is 3663 as the answer. So this is how you add numbers of all kinds of bases. Base 2 to base 10. Once you add, you're asked to add the numbers. Carefully understand the base you're dealing with and follow up that idea to get the right answer. Know the base you're dealing with. Once your answer is the same as the base, you divide by the base and write the remainder as the main answer and take the other one to the other side. If your answer is more than the base, you divide by the base, write the remainder as the main answer, and the one you got initially, take it to the other side. It's as simple as that. So carefully play your videos again and get the best from it. So see you in our next other class.